we've mixed up 100% solids epoxy. We're putting this down as a prime coat for our self-leveling overlay. So I'm just going to simply squeegee the material down into place, and then we're going to do a broadcast of sand to refusal. Ron, put me a little bit more in that corner if you would. And I'm just going to squeegee down a nice tight coat of this material. As you can see here, it's important that you're going over a properly prepared substrate. Look at the manufacturer's specifications for the right profile. Typically a self-leveling, you're going to want a profile of probably around 3, concrete surface profile of 3, which can be done with some of the different grinding equipment or shot blasting as well. So we're just putting down a tight coat, squeegee coat of epoxy, and we're going to broadcast sand to refusal. Alright, now we're going to broadcast our sand till refusal. Once again, check with the manufacturer's specs. Some call for a medium to a heavy broadcast. This particular one, we're going to broadcast sand to refusal. We're using roughly a 40 to a 60 grade mesh. It needs to be a clean sand. Typically like a sandblasting sand works great. So we're going to just keep going here. Broadcast to refusal. Tomorrow, once it dries, we'll scrape it, and then
on this floor, once the existing surface was properly prepared, the contractor had to apply a level coat of self-leveling since the floor was out of level as much as 1.5 inches. On the deepest part of the floor, they applied pea gravel first since one lift of self-leveling would have been too thick. When setting decorative divider strip, it is very important that the subfloor is somewhat level. It is a good idea to use a laser or builder's level to set the elevations, making sure that it is in fact level. Shims may be required in areas depending on the levelness of the subfloor. If you do have to use shims in these areas to obtain a level surface, make sure that on the areas that have been shimmed, you fill the area from the bottom of the strip to the subfloor with latex caulk. If not, the self-leveling material will ooze under the divider strip, which you will not have time to deal with during the installation. Watch our next videos that's going to show the installation of Rapid Set's true self-leveling.